Welcome. If you are watching this right now, I have got a question for you. Have you been looking for a legitimate way to scale up your income online? If you answered yes, then I have a good news for you. Imagine this for a moment. Imagine you making over $1,000 weekly from the Forex market without having to learn Forex trading. But before I go on, are you a Forex trader and you have been losing your capital anytime you trade, or you are a working class or a business owner presently looking for another source of income? Are you a newbie and you just want to start your forex trading journey profitably, or you are looking for a less difficult way to make money online? If you belong in any of these categories, I have something for you. In this presentation, I'll be showing you how to generate over $1,000 weekly from the forex market without having to learn forex trading. Now, before you start to think you can't achieve this, here's all the people like you who have done it. This is Raymond. When he funded his account with $100, after following this particular strategy without learning forex trading, he has been able to scale up his balance to $300. Also, did you see yourself doing this? Here is Bliss. While making use of this particular strategy, he has been able to make a lot of profit on a daily basis, hoping to reach his target before tomorrow. And I said, okay, get flipped account with just two signals. The third one is still running. So great work. Now, this is Archimedes. Archimedes funded his account with $100. Oh, yeah, Archimedes funded his account with $100, and you can see here he said, with the trade from your signals, my balance should be around $230. And also, he made a profit yesterday as well, making a $62 profit. So, are you next? Now, here's another testimonial as well. Can you see, after following this particular system where you don't have to learn forex trading and you can make a whole lot of money in the forex market, he made above $250 in the market. And also, this is another testimonial from Delight TV, who is also someone in our Signal channel. Can an extra 3K dollars a month change your life? Before we go on, who am I? My name is Sonny Cherubin. I'm a DR marketing consultant and a forex strategist. A little bit of my story. Back then in 2022, I was broke and struggling to make money in the forex market. Not only even in the forex market, I was just broke trying to do sort of things and make money. I tried all sort of things until I discovered this exact strategy I'm about to show you right now. And if not for what I discover, I'll still be broke right now, waiting for the Nigerian government to provide me a job that doesn't fully cover my bills. So this is to tell you I wasn't born rich, but the information I discovered in my life, which is what I would love to share with you today. And it's called the copy and paste money printing strategy. In simple terms, this is a strategy you can operate regardless of wherever you live in. And even if you come from a third world country like me, you can do this. But before we go deeper, I hear you don't know about Forex. Forex trading is simply the exchange of currencies between two parties at an agreed price. The FX market is by far the world's largest financial market with daily transaction volume of $6.6 trillion, as you can see here. This is an update from Bloomberg around 2019. Global currency trading surges to $6.6 trillion a day market. Now compare 2019 to this moment, you know how skyrocket that will have been. Now, here is where it gets interesting. You don't have to analyze the market. You don't have to learn about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. With zero knowledge, you can make a fortune from the forex market using our copy and paste money printing strategy, because our reputable and professional forex trader provides you with a profitable life-changing market signals on a daily basis. All you have to do is to copy and paste these signals in your trading account in less than 30 seconds. Signal makes you huge profit in less than 4 hours, you are already in reasonable profit. You can then decide to withdraw your profit for that day in USD, so you make money in US dollars without you being considering about the local economy or probably the nation currency you have, probably Naira. You make money in dollars. Look at what I'm saying here. Can you see this is a constant and transparent result in our signal channel? Here we drop the signal around on this first around 5:48 a.m. and Within 12:35 a.m., we're already running at 65 pips. And also, this is another signal around 7:40 a.m. And by 1:45 a.m., we're already running around 171 pips. And also, this is another signal here around 9:46, and in less than 3 hours, we're already running on over 100 pips. Now, this is another constant and transparent result as well. Can you see a lot of profit being made by trading, by copying our trades and pasting it on your trading account, and you can make a fortune for yourself. So before you start thinking that, will I be able to withdraw my profit? Yes, you can withdraw your profit on a daily basis anytime you need your profit. And these are successful withdrawals being placed on our trading accounts. Here is where it gets interesting. But before that, imagine how happy you will be when you have more time to spend with your family, you have more time, you have more money to cater for your family and live the dream life you wanted. You have more money and time to go on vacation while you make money using our life-changing signals. It's an opportunity to fulfill your desire in life. Now, does this sound interesting? Does this sound like what you're interested in? I'm sure yes. Since you are interested, you will be getting access to our life-changing premium signal for free. We will hear you copy the daily profitable signals. Wait, that's not all. So far, we have been able to record 85% to 95% profit monthly with this copy and paste signal strategy. No one does that. Here is more proof from people like you who are doing this and generating a lot of money for themselves using these life-changing signals. Here's a feedback from one of our traders in the Signal channel. He makes a lot of profit using the same copy and paste strategy and still setting high targets. He said, quality and reliable signals is just out of the world. God willing, I have a 2 weeks target to making my first $1,000. No be juju, na signal spark. So it's crazy. Just imagine this is you. How will you feel making huge profit like this weekly? Let's go on because I won't want to take too much of your time. Let me quickly share with you what you will get access to when you join our system today. A personal assistant to guide you. You get access to a personal assistant to guide you all the time, available 247. This is absolutely priceless. You are not to pay notes. You are not to pay the assistant dedicated to you. You have a 7 minute session on how to copy and paste our signals to make huge profit daily. And this is the only thing you need to make huge profit. You get access to a WhatsApp active support group where you can also discuss and relate with other traders. Since this is a system you are interested in, here is how to get started today. Before we move on, note that Forex is not for broke people. I'm saying it again. Forex is not for broke people. It requires you to have a minimum of $250 to fund your trading account before you can get access to our life-changing signal channel for free. To get started, one, you have to create a trading account using the recommended trading platform provided for you after this presentation. Two, fund your account with a minimum of $250 using any payment method of your choice and send a screenshot once you are done. Three, you get instant access to the life-changing premium signal channel for free. Follow our profitable signals daily and you can start making huge profit for yourself. I want you to know that no one on health will show you an opportunity like this. To assure you how profitable our signals are, I will give you your money back if you lose your money trading our premium signals. I will also add 20% extra for wasting your time and resources. I'm doing this because I'm 100% very sure that you can't lose your money trading our premium signals. Also, I want you to know that this particular opportunity won't be free forever. No. The slot available is only limited to 30 interested persons only. We have few slots left, not up to 15 slots at the moment, but by the next 24 hours, the slot will have been filled up and you will have to pay a sum of $200 to get access to our life-changing premium signal. One more thing, if you are funding your trading account today, then this fast action bonus is for you. When you fund your account with $250, we will give you an extra $70 to your trading account so you can have more hedge to make a lot of profit using our signals. You also get 1 month free access to our signal channel. Also, if you want to deposit more, probably want to deposit $400 in your trading account, we will give you an extra $120 on your trading account instantly after funding, and you get 3 months free access to our signal channel. This bonus, this special offer is for people who take action today. Tap the link below so I can send you the recommended trading platform so you can create your account in 49 seconds. Congratulations, I will see you on the inside.